In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a transaction on SendWave. If you've ever found yourself needing to retract a transaction for any reason, perhaps you sent it to the wrong recipient or realized there was an error, don't worry, as we're about to walk through the process of canceling a transaction step by step. To start, you want to head over to the SendWave application on your mobile device. As soon as you open the app, take a moment to ensure you're logged into the correct account. You'll be looking for the recent transactions section where you can review all past money transfers you've made. This is usually accessible from the main menu or dashboard, depending on how your app is set up. Once you have your recent transactions in view, you will need to find the specific transaction you wish to cancel. Tap on it to open the full details. It's essential to verify that this is indeed the transaction you intend to reverse. Accuracy is key here to avoid canceling the incorrect transfer. After confirming the transaction details, look for an option labeled Cancel or something similar within the transaction menu. If the cancellation option is available, tap it to initiate the process. This step should bring up a confirmation prompt. Before proceeding, take the time to read any confirmations or warnings to ensure you understand the implications of canceling this transaction, especially regarding whether the funds have already been delivered or if they're still in transit. Now, you might find yourself in a situation where no cancel button appears. Don't stress if this happens. If there's no clear option to cancel directly, your next step is to reach out to SendWave support. Navigate back to the support or help section of the app. Most apps will have this option readily accessible from the main menu or settings. Once you're in the support section, you should find an option to chat with us or something similar. Select it to start a chat with a customer service representative. When chatting with support, be ready to provide all relevant transaction details, such as the amount, date, and recipient information. This will help them locate the transaction swiftly and assist you with canceling it. Throughout this process, patience is your best friend. Sometimes the transfer might already be too far along to cancel, at which point the support team can advise on the best next steps. Remember to check if there are any associated fees or implications for canceling a transaction, which they can also clarify for you. And there you have it, a quick and straightforward guide to canceling a transaction on SendWave. It's always a good idea to double check transaction details before sending money, but if you ever find the need to cancel, now you know exactly what to do. Thanks for watching, and be sure to reach out if you have any further questions or need additional support.